a quick question. Can I ask you a couple quick questions, please?
Yeah, police.
No, we're TMZ. How does it...
Back up from me.
How does it feel knowing you're the biggest sensation on TikTok right now?
Take what? We are chat about.
Your skit asking Jamaican for directions has the internet crying with laughter. What inspired you to create such a masterpiece?
Skit. Me? Me don't know what you are chat about, you know.
Some fans are calling you the Jamaican GPS. Do you think you'll expand on this talent for giving directions?
GP what? My girl, me can't bother with a bag of botherations, you know. Better you left me alone.
Please, Errol, just a couple more questions. All right, so millions of people have now seen...
Wait. Yeah, give me money.
No, I meant millions of people have now seen you explain directions. Do you think this fame might change how you go about your day?
Me no want no fame. If I no money, me no blood clot business.
Someone asked you for directions right now. Are you going to make it another viral moment?
Yes, we do know. Yeah, I'll go straight down the so. Bus a right, bus a left, bus a right, and chop tree a mother.
Thank you, Errol.